Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a file or files in OneDrive. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to it. Alright, open up your File Explorer on your PC or laptop, and then from here on the left hand side you will have an option that says OneDrive. What you want to do is click onto OneDrive. This is where all your OneDrive files are located. And now to share a file inside here, what you can do is right click the folder or file. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do this file here. It's a Word doc. Right click and then click onto the share button. And now, as it says here, this is the title, search for people or email. So if you got people, put their names here or email if you want to share this file to someone's email, or if you want to do a nearby share. So to share with someone on a Windows PC that's next to you or in the same room, ask them to open settings and turn on nearby sharing. To share to a mobile phone, turn on Bluetooth on mobile and you'll discover it and you'll be able to share the file or folder that way as well. And also down below you can also share it using Outlook, Microsoft Teams, OneNote, PhoneLink, WhatsApp. You can click on all apps to see if there's any more here to share it via that way as well.